Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see east facing house plan. Plot dimensions are 21 feet 3 inches by 51 feet. Building width is like a 17 feet 9 inch. So this is like small 1 BHK house plan. So in the east side there is a portico car parking 20 feet 3 inch by 8 feet. In the northeast corner, we can place underground water tank, bore or sump, and septic tank we can make in the northwest of north side or southeast of east side. Here we kept in the southeast of east, and then one common toilet is there under this staircase, 6 feet 6 inch by 4 feet, and the sit out area of 7 feet by 7 feet is available. After entering the main door, there is a small entrance, 4 feet 9 inch by 7 feet 3 inches, and then in the left side there is a kitchen, 11 feet by 6 feet 6 inches, small compact kitchen. In that we keeping the stove in the east wall, so that while cooking we can face the east facing. After also facing east while cooking is good. And then in the center there is a hall, the size 16 feet 3 inch by 10 feet 3 inches, and then there is a big window. Maybe you can keep this window like 6 by 6 or 6 by 4, and then TV and sofa arrangement shown in this plan. Also there is a one small master bedroom, 16 feet 3 inch by 8 feet, and then with attached toilet of 11 feet 5 inches, and wardrobe 4 feet 9 inch by 5 feet 6 inches. This is a small compact east facing house plan. If you like this plan, you can share this videos to your friends and family who needs house plans. Also subscribe for more videos like this. For more house plans and designs, you can check out our website www.houseplansdaily.com and www.houseplans.world. Houseplans.world is our store website, and there you can purchase our house plans and designs as free or paid. Many free house plans PDF books are available. You can check it. Also in Google Play Store our apps are available. House plans and designs. This is a wallpaper app. You can easily download the images of house plans and designs, and then house designs and plans, PlanNest and DesignNest. PlanNest app is our store app. Here also you can download our files freely and paid. Check out and install it. So thanks for watching. If you are interested to learn this house plan skill, if you want to know how to make a house plan as per Vastu, I'm ready to teach you. If anyone interested, you can contact us through WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 99520290063. If anyone needs a house plan, so they also can contact me. So thanks for watching.